What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick, in this festive season, if you didn't mind giving me a festive thumbs up, possibly subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's content's probably not going to be very, I want to say becoming. That's kind of a weird term. It's not going to be your typical type of content, so don't think this, if this is your first video, go back. There's some 250 videos or something crazy that I've done on karting and kart-related topics and all that stuff, but yeah, I guess I appreciate you if you do, become a subscriber as of today because you like Christmas videos or something. So, all right, like I said, it's not going to be a typical video because it's Christmas, family time, and all that stuff. And yes, I know we all want to think about racing all the time. But there are times when you should be celebrating the seasons. You should be spending time with your family if that's what you do. Or just taking time to yourself sometimes. That's kind of cool as well. But yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy Hanukkah and all the things. If you're celebrating something, Merry Christmas or all that stuff. I was going to pose a question and kind of a topic. What is good for the kart racer under the tree? Now, I could have done a video and I contemplated doing it. Hey, what would be good to buy for your kid under the tree for kart racing type of thing. But I thought I'd pose it more of a, if you're seeing this video either on Christmas Eve, which is when it's going to post, or Christmas Day, or after that, comment. Did you get anything, kart related for Christmas? Because I think, if you have disposable income, I'm sure a brand new chassis would be amazing. I mean, I'd love a brand new chassis. That would be fantastic. Or an engine or something, a couple sets of tires. You never know. Sky's the limit if you have that kind of funding. But, is it something kart related? Maybe a new helmet. Those are kind of expensive, but a little more realistic to get for, somebody on a tree. New jacket, new suit, new gloves. All these things would be amazing under the tree for your kart racer or for yourself. Like if you're one of those people, which I do know those people, like, hey, we don't have kids, or, our kids have moved on and this and that, and they're racers or something, they'll just be like, hey, here's the budget for Christmas this year. I'm just going to go ahead and get myself this thing. And then that's my Christmas present. So I thought that's really cool. But just in general, real short video. Didn't want to take up too much of your time. I appreciate every single one of you coming by. And I'm sorry, it's probably not going to be a video that'll do that well. It's fine. I'm not too hung up on numbers. I'm not like, oh man, that certainly didn't do as well as last video. I need to really up my game. I'm here to help you guys with kart racing, with all the topics and all the stuff I do on here, and all that stuff's great that comes along with it. But I'm not hung up on numbers. If some videos like this that I have a lot of fun doing, I just wanted to make for you guys, to wish you a Merry Christmas or something. If they don't do that, great, fine. That's fine. I'm not about that. I'm about helping you, and any one of you that have, sent me a DM or anything, I try and get back to you. I try and help you best I can and give you the information I know at the time to be the information that I have. So there you go, guys. Again, Merry Christmas to everybody. I wanted to do something a little different, take a little edge off, a topic, or, let's not talk about tires I don't mind talking about tires. I think about tires and what I can do to tires, but making video after video after video about tires, just like, oh, all right, fine, you're twisting my arm to do it, I'll do it, but also, something like this is a little more fun. Anyway, I really do appreciate you guys coming by. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for this year. It's been amazing. I think maybe a new video will be coming out near, so we'll talk about that in the next video. I'll mention it, but I've gained so many subscribers this year compared to years past. I can't thank you guys enough. It really does keep me going. It really keeps me making videos, and if there's no you, there's no me, on this platform. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I'll see you next week in the new video. Later.